Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to wipe out all your doubts regarding basics of C programming. First of all, we will start with the introduction so that you may come to know how C language was developed. The C language was originally developed at Bell Laboratories in New Jersey in 1972. It was based on a previous language called B. The C language was written by Dennis Ritchie, and the most important, it is a high level language. Next comes the fundamentals. Here you can see the terms int, char, float, double, which we use while writing a program, where int stands for integer type variable, char stands for character type variable, float stands for floating or decimal type variable, and double is used when we need to store larger bit value numbers. Now we will see some basics you should know while dealing with C language. They are: 1 bit is the smallest storage unit. 4 bit is equivalent to 1 nibble. Similarly, 8 bit is equivalent to 2 nibble, which is equivalent to 1 byte, and accordingly 2 byte carry 16 bits. Now comes the storage unit. That is, int contains 2 byte, float contains 4 byte, double contains 8 byte, and char 1 byte. Next up, we will learn the tokens. Now comes the question, what are tokens? Tokens वो characters या symbols होते हैं जिन्हें हम C program में use करते हैं. So we can define tokens as the smallest unit to design the basic data of any high-level language. In C, following tokens are used. The first one is identifiers. ये combination होते हैं characters, digits and some special symbols के like underscore. But remember students, identifiers should always start with characters. Now comes the second one, that is keywords. ये वो words होते हैं जो C compiler के पास पहले से defined होते हैं. So we can define keywords are the words predefined by C compiler. There are 32 keywords in C language. Example break, continue. The third one is variables. ये variables वो नाम होते हैं जिनमें हम constants को store करते हैं. So we can define variables as the name given to a location in memory. Example, sum, or we can also use the alphabets like A, B. The fourth one is constants. ये वो वैल्यू या क्वांटिटी होती है जो प्रोग्राम को रन करते टाइम भी चेंज नहीं होती है. So we can define constants as the quantity or value that doesn't change during the program execution. For example, when we assign a value 5 to variable A and 4 to variable B. And the last one is symbolic constants. जो variable को value allot करते हैं उन्हें हम symbolic constants कहते हैं. So we can say that it is a name that substitutes for a sequence of characters. Example, hashtag define pi is equals to 3.14. So let's take an example to understand the terms and structure of C program by constructing a program of addition of two numbers. So the first line here is hashtag. Here hashtag is a preprocessor directive and stdio.h is a header file known as standard input output. In the next line, hashtag is a preprocessor directive and conio.h is a header file known as console input output. Main. Main is a function and is the first code executed when the user runs the program. So basically main is a function. We start our program with the open curly braces. Now variable declaration. Here int is a data type, A, B and C are the variables and 5 and 4 are the constants. So we will write the expression for what we are making a program, that is of addition. So C is equals to A plus B. Printf, the sum of %d and %d is %d. Here %d is a format specifier. printf के अंदर हम वो statements डालते हैं जिन्हें हम as a output के तरीके से चाहिए होते हैं, उन्हें हम double quotes में लिखते हैं. So printf is a function that prints the text or a value enclosed in double quotes. getch, हमारे प्रोग्राम को डायरेक्टली कंपाइल करने के लिए हम इसे यूज़ करते हैं ताकि हमें Alt+F5 को प्रेस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़े. We will end our program with the closing curly braces. We will get the output as the sum of 5 and 4 is 9. So, with this, I end up our today's session on basics of C. We hope it would help you out in clearing your concepts. So stay tuned for more videos by subscribing our video and please tap the bell option for the updates.